Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to get the new Owell skin in Piggy Book 2. So to get to Piggy Book 2, all you just do is press play, and then this little menu will show up. And then once you first join the game, press this, and then it will take you to Piggy Book 2. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to get the new skin, and I'm gonna be using a friend, or another Roblox profile. So yeah, stand with me for a little bit. I'm gonna get everything ready. Okay, guys. So we are in chapter 2, the store in Piggy Book 2, and the Piggy is set as another profile, so we won't be chased by a bot. So what you do is, let's open all the doors. Let's get this right here, the orange key, and then we need to. It is over here. Oh, let's do that, and then let's get this red key. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm going to grab this carrot and give it to Pony. And then let's see, let's go over here. We got this. Let's see, we need to get to the remote to get all of the TVs. Let's do that TV. There should be another one in somewhere. Oh, and then what? There's one, and then there should be another one right here, and then I think that should be it. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So let's get the yellow key. Let's grab it. Okay. So, and then we need to bring it to, I'm pretty sure we bring it to right here. Let's get to ladder, and then let's place it down right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go over here and jump, and then it says, "Psst, I'm in here, the red container. If you bring me some food, I'll give you some weird looking book." And now we need to get the grass that you usually give to Sizzy, but instead we're gonna give it to the mysterious person in the red container. The grass right here. And then we're gonna go and give the grass. So then I'm gonna jump. Oh, and then, don't fall. And then go like, oh yeah, I forgot a step, guys. But to stay with me, I forgot a step. We need to get the scissors, which are right here. And then I'm pretty sure you have to jump right here. Oh, we need to click right there. Sorry, guys. Oh, there we go. Hey, smart thinking. Just don't make the hole any bigger, or else they might get me in. Or they might get me. They might get in. I'm sorry. But anyway, now I use the scissors. We need to use the grass. And then let's jump. Ew, grass. Well, at least it's something to eat. Thanks. Here's your book, as promised. Wait, where did it go? And now the book will spawn. The mysterious looking book will spawn around the map. And all you just gotta do. Oh, there's the book right there. Then you got the skin. So now you don't have to finish the map. So I'm just gonna oof myself from Piggy. So let's do this. There we go. And you now have the skin. So if you go to the shop, you go to skins and extra. So if you go here, go there. And then, as you can see, there's new skins. Here is the owl skin. And that is how you get the skin. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I might make tutorials on how to get Mr. Stitchy, as also as the new trap, the tombstone trap. So yeah, so if you want to see those videos, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications for new videos. And have a nice day. Bye.